Well, butter my coconut. Look who just washed ashore. Oh, honey, you just stepped into my coconut cabana, and we're baking up a storm sweeter than a pineapple in high tide. All right, coconut, I'll do the baking, and you do the talking. Oh, honey, this kitchen's about to feel like a 5-star beach resort. Now, get to stirring, Captain. Whisk those yolks and sugar till they're smooth and sunny, like a golden beach at high tide. Pour in that coconut milk, pandan, and oil. Ooh, that's smelling greener than a jungle breeze. If your coconut milk's separated in the can, whisk it together. Okay, new plan. It's pointing that way. Now, which means we're definitely going the wrong way with confidence. Fascinating. They've abandoned logic and are now navigating by dessert intuition. Whoa! Flour goes in gentle now. No lumps, no drama, just smooth sailing. Whip those egg whites till they're fluffy as sea foam, light, airy, and ready to dance. Add that sugar slow. Honey, build it up like a tide rolling in. We want peaks standing tall and proud. Yeah, that's how you end up chasing a cupcake into a disaster. Hey! Follow your nose built an entire industry. Usually ends up in sugar crashes and regret. Okay, now it's getting louder. A third first to loosen it up. Now fold it together. Easy does it. Treat it like a hammock in the breeze, not a wrestling match with a wave. 7-inch pan, bottom line, sides bare. This cake's gotta climb like a palm tree, not slip like a banana peel. And don't forget the cake nail, right in the center like a lighthouse in the middle of the ocean. That's gonna send heat straight up through, so we don't end up with a soggy surprise. And that usually means I'm about to make a questionable decision. Then, whatever's making that signal is getting closer, or louder, or both. Say less, I'll scout the path. You don't scout, you panic at high speed. Same thing. And hold up, removable bottom alert. Slide that pan onto a cookie sheet, honey. We ain't letting this batter drip down like a busted coconut. And into the oven she goes. Watch her rise like she's chasing the sun. Flip it upside down right away. Let gravity do the work, sunshines. Keep that cake tall and proud instead of sinking like a soggy sandcastle. We are not a coordinated unit. Speak for yourself. I'm very coordinated. I coordinate chaos. The bottle's not there, but something tied to it is. And it's screaming louder than my better judgment. Then we follow the trail, baby. Flavor first, questions later. Toast your coconut flakes while your oven's still hot. Now, here comes the sunshine. Pineapple in the pan, cooking down golden and glossy. We're controlling the amount of juice here. Use that pineapple juice again, not plain water. Oh, we're doubling the flavor like a 2-for-1 beach special. Thicken it up till it's jammy, not runny. Smooth like a sunset, not sloshy like the tide. Add a little sunshine and spread it around the edge to cool it faster. Oh, it's here. Something's tugging on my magic like it owes me money. Wait. No, that's it! That's my bottle! I can feel it! I am seconds away from being right! Whip that cream, soft and dreamy. Add a little sugar and salt to wake it up. Nuke that gelatin nice and gentle. No scorching, no rushing. Now don't go dumping that into the cream like you lost your mind. Temper it, sunshine. Fold in a scoop of the whipped cream first. Ease it in like your toes touching the ocean. And don't be afraid to nuke it again if it starts seizing up on ya. Stir in that black sesame. Look at that! Dark, glossy, and mysterious like midnight on the water. Fold it in all together. Oh yes! Thick, smooth, and speckled like cookies and cream on a tropical vacation. Nope. Something just barged in and hijacked the signal like a total jackwagon. That's not interference, honey. That's flavor dominance. Big energy, boss level fruit. Slice that beauty into 3 layers. Steady hands now. We want clean cuts, not crumbly chaos. Hold the knife, turn the cake. It naturally goes in on its own. First layer down. Spread that sesame cream nice and smooth. Now, a thin layer of pineapple. Just enough sunshine, not a tidal wave. Cover it with more cream. Wrap it up so it stays put like a beach blanket in the breeze. Be focusing. Zip, 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 zip. Zip. Maybe if I pull this, I can refocus. And it's gone. Again. Fantastic. Love that for me. Why did the signal cross the asteroid? Because it finally found something louder than our decision making. That's not a high bar. Repeat that magic, layer by layer, like waves rolling into the shore. Top it off and give it a gentle press. But don't squash it like a coconut underfoot. Our way of getting straight sides all around. Just enough to hold that coconut in place. Oh, we're absolutely being rerouted. Love that for them. Hate that for us. Okay. New direction, which is either completely wrong or confidently wrong. Press on those coconut flakes, soft and golden like sands at sunset. Oh, look at that crunch. And now the crown, honey. The pineapple right on top. Glossy and bright like the sun at high noon. Leave that coconut border peeking through. According to my calculations, the target is statistically inconvenient. Even uncertainty has direction. sometimes. Oh, I love the flocks. They're so adorable.